200 to check both batteries. But if I'm checking one battery, I'm gonna move that to 20. So this one's right now is at 9.6 and the other one's at 11. So we're changing these batteries out, just disconnecting the cords. Everything's pretty much labeled and I'm just pulling it out. When you do get a new set of batteries, what we like to do is check the readings on them. So we're at 12.73. I come over here, we're at 12.72. So we want to be within a couple decimals of each other. You don't want to put a 12 like 50 or something really off in there. So if you buy something online from Amazon or whoever, make sure you're checking those batteries before you put them in. If you get something below 12, then they're automatically going to be bad. I would call them back immediately. If you get something that's 12.5 and then something that's lower, you probably want to also change it out because you don't want to put something different in here. So pull these out, take a new one, put it right in, plug this up, and some of them are different, you know, connections. So I'm going to connect these back in just like this. If you got go-go, you'll have Velcro underneath it. Just put the Velcro, and then you just make sure you don't pinch any wires. I'm just going to bring it right back down. So from here, we come in here and check them. They should be at, see how I had it at 20? It gives me that. Flip it up, 25.4.